This Century 21 Howe Realty and Auction property video is presented by William Howe. Private country living. Very nice 1800 plus square foot home with split floor plan containing 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, bonus room and office. Bonus room is currently in use as additional bedroom for 4 total. Master suite has jacuzzi tub and walk-in shower. Great room features vaulted ceilings, open floor plan to kitchen, built-in shelving, and electric fireplace with stone surround. Raised panel pine doors throughout the home give the space a country feel. 2 washer/dryer hookups located in the attached 2-car garage can accommodate the needs of any large family. Outside, a large covered porch provides shade for the entire front side of the home, and a rear screened-in porch overlooks the guest house at the back of the property. This second home is approximately 900 square feet with 2 bedrooms/1 bath, washer/dryer hookups, and a wall heat and air unit. Many possibilities for this space include a guest house, studio, or mother-in-law suite. Currently, the main home and guest home are on same electric meter. Additional features that add to the charm of this property include a paved drive, fire pit area, above-ground pool, and playhouse. Square footage taken from owner and tax records. Buyer to verify information.